Okay, so this is the BRC 500 conversion kit for, this is going into a 250 KTM Husky that's been converted to a 300 cc. So we're taking donor parts off of the Husky motor. These are the engine cases here for the BRC motor and the crankshaft. These are part of the kit. All of these seals and bearings are all part of the kit. They need to be installed by the customer. Here we have the transmission gears, shifting drum mechanism, and the shifter forks, and the kickstarter gear shift lever, excuse me, that go into the, or come out of the Husky and go into the BRC motor. And what we're going to do now is we're going to mate the two case halves together, and then we'll put the outside clutch cover case on and show how that fits. This is all part of a trial fitting that we're in the process of. Here we have the counterbalancer, one side of it. This is the other side of it here. And as soon as we get these two case halves matched up, then we can put the counterbalancer in and get it timed properly. It's you can't make a mistake about timing this properly. It's all well marked, so that won't be a problem. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to pick this up with screws in place and put it down. You have to be ginger about this because it needs to go on more or less without being cockeyed at all. Okay, so I'm just going to tighten down a bunch of these screws so that we've got everything connected together. This is the adapter ring, and it goes on to adapt the KTM flywheel and stator assembly along with the starter motor. Be careful that the counterbalancer has its own washers here and on the other side. Those need to be paid attention to when you're assembling things so that they don't fall off and get lost. Things that are stock that'll be added to the motor are going to be things like this, like clutch slave cylinder here, and if you run a chain guard, okay, and we'll flip this up.